In Excel 2013, one of the key things you'll calculate are values in cells. Cells are the boxes you see in the grid of an Excel worksheet, like this one. Each cell is identified on a worksheet by its reference, the column letter and row number that intersect at the cell's location. This cell's in column D and row 5, so it's cell D5. The column always comes first in a cell reference. When you use cell references in a formula, in this case I'm adding cells A2 and B2, Excel calculates the answer using the numbers in the referenced cells. When I change the value in a cell, the formula calculates the new result automatically. Instead of typing each individual cell in a formula, you can reference multiple adjacent cells, called a range of cells. This range of cells is referred to as F2:G5. The first cell is F2, and the last cell is G5. You always start a formula with an equal sign. I'm using the sum function in the formula to add this range of cells. And there we have the sum, or total, for the range of cells.